Hello everyone. So today I will let you know the very interesting topic that is SQL injection, right? So there are multiple way to SQL injection, but today I will let you know how you can do this with the search with the get request, right? So you have you if you want practical in your local, so you can install any VMware on your operating system. Then you can install two machine. You have to install two machine, that is Kali Linux, which we use for the tech purpose. And the second is bbox. You can see this is the bbox site here. This is the bbox, right? So how you can see the bbox? So you have to install bbox operating system in your VM. So you can see this is my bbox machine, right? The left one. And the second machine is Kali Linux 2023.4 version, right? So bbox I have installed to to attack on the site, right? So you can see this is the IP 198.168.31.194. This is the IP of my bbox machine. You once you install the bbox machine and you just ping the if config on that, you will get the IP and you can put bbox machine IP on this URL search bar, right? So if you put this IP and enter, so you will get this page bbox, right? So there are multiple sites where you can multiple attacks. So today I will try to bwap application. So just click on this, right? And this by default login is b and the password is bug, right? And there are multiple security level, and but we will do this with the high, because in low there must be we can definitely we can crack this with the low security, but I want uh, let you know with the high, because in high there can be a 50-50 chance we can hack or we cannot, right? So that's why I have set this security level high of this website. And just log in on this site. So you can see the my current status, security status is high, right? So you can see my security status is high. So just select what we want to hack here. So you can see there are multiple hack list. So I just select the SQL injection get search. So what that mean? That means we will try to attack on a request which is get type and with the search action. So just click on hack. So you can see, you will see this screen where we can search anything on this table. And you can if you are some very technical, so you can see if I click on search and type something like type the movie name iron, right? And search. So you can see one get request with the iron parameter will go to the server and then return back on this return the result on this grid, right? So you can see this search, this type of search element, or this type of search method action on multiple websites where you can try with the permission, right? So I just type this URL. Okay, you have to copy this URL, and you have to copy this URL, and I have already copy this on my command. So I have already write a command to to uh, short the time. So this is a SQL map which tool we are using, right? So you can install SQL map if you are not able to SQL map. So I will let you know with the another video. Let me know in comment, right? And this is the URL where you want to attack. So this URL you have to copy in this command, right? And second one is cookie is equal to PHP session ID. So how you will find? So mainly you will find if you go to the inspect element. You have already login, so just go to the memory. I think go to the storage, and storage you can see PHP session ID. So you just copy this ID. Let me copy, right? And go to my notepad. So I have removed this and paste the new session ID, right? and security level is 0. You can try with the 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever you want. And the command is, I think this should be not dbms, this should be dbs, right? I think dbs, right? So this means once you inject this command into the bash, so you will get open your cmd, or you can see bash kali linux. So just open this, right? And I'm clearing here. So just type your command and paste selection. So you can see sql map, there is one mistake in this command. There is extra semicolon colon here, so just remove that. So this is your proper command here, sql map. This is the tool, and this the url, right? And this is your cookie where session id is stored, and security level I have set 0. dbs means once you from the server, it will return the all database, whatever database installed in your server, right? So just make enter here, right? Just I have enter. So you can see the sql map tool start try to hit on that. And this is the our request where multiple request was go onto the server, and how it return data. You can see this is the database sql information schema, and bwap. This is the database, all database where all these database are stored on to the server. So you can see, you can hack this to get the database from the SQL servers. Now you can enter into the database table and schema and tables, whatever you want. So you can retrieve information from that server. The main thing was that you can crack the database from the server. So this is your final crack or hack, which you get the four database from the server, right? So I think this you can practical with the multiple website. You can store multiple server on your VM and website. So you can try with that website with the search and get to cast, right? So this is the my main purpose is that how you can hack any server database where with the search box with the get request. So this is how you have hacked. So this is all in this video, and we'll let you know other thing in my other video. So thank you everyone.